ज़्यादा जने नहीं रहना है, इसकी जरूरत है 5 से 6 जने रहना बस। ना तो गोवा चलेंगे। सोचो बस से आना गोवा।
I grew up reading stories, how I believed that I could climb through every page. How all the fire and glory, all the revenge and all the rage. Have you heard of the heroes ending? They couldn't protect and they couldn't defend in all the pain. Have you heard of the heroes ending? If we go further, then we'll never be the same. Heroes I feel it's getting older. Behind my bones, the ties that once left my soul in a different place. But it's never really over. We're turning again on a different face in a different way. Have you heard of the heroes ending? They couldn't protect and they couldn't defend in all the pain. Have you heard of the heroes ending? If we go further, then we'll never be the same.